Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we will discuss how you can convert .wav file to the mp3 format. Here you can go and type wav to mp3 converter online free. And here you can see these are the tool websites, so you can open any of these, and after that now you can easily select the file from your laptop, as well as you can add the file by URL. You can also add file from the Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. So you have multiple options to add the file. For example, let me go here in downloads folder, and here you can see this one is wave file .wav format. So you need to select the format where you want to convert. So I want to change it to the mp3. Then simply click on convert button. So guys, now file is converted to the mp3 format. Now you can easily download it, and file is downloaded in mp3 format.